Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again with a quick crypto update. This story is brought to us by Coin Codex, and it was real interesting. I was looking for updates on the Smartlands platform, just seeing if any stories have been written on it lately. One of the coins that is set to tokenize not only real estate but other forms of assets. So I was just like I said, doing my due diligence and researching. And I came across this story that was released in the beginning of 2019, and it's 22 days ago to be exact. And it's entitled "The Top 5 Coins That Can Break the Top 50 in 2019." In 2018, the cryptocurrency market underwent through a prolonged bear market, which puts a lot of pressure for projects anywhere. Only the most resilient projects will survive the next 12 months. And the issues experienced by APH up 1.50% and R-Chain up 3.50% show the importance of good governance and wise management. The following projects have the ability to thrive over the coming months and jump into the top 50. First one they're speaking on is Elastos, ELA. What is Elastos? Elastos, or ELA, which is down 1.16% for the day, is an ambitious smart web project that aims to build a safe, if these are updated, yeah, I believe they are. It aims to build a safe and reliable decentralized version of the internet. By utilizing the blockchain, the team provides a secure environment where decentralized applications can run while being detached from the internet. Elastos also enables the ownership and exchange of personal data and digital assets. Why Elastos? Earlier this year, the team unveiled the Elastos TV box that utilizes the Elastos carrier peer-to-peer network, and especially equipped boxes were developed in a partnership with Shiju TV. The Asian company shipped about 230,000 consumer units, and the box will help build peer-to-peer connections between TV boxes and mobile phones. And the number of potentially 1 million Elastos carrier nodes being available by the early next year has been suggested. Developments for 2019 include the Neo-compatible smart contract sidechain release and the Elastos runtime browser for iOS alpha release, as well as Elastos toolchain alpha release. With the current market cap of just under 40 million, Elastos is a groundbreaking project that should break the top 50 in 2019. The next one is a coin that I've talked about many a time that I said it definitely should be one that's under your radar, if not in your portfolio, and that is DGTX or DGTX, DGTX Futures. What is DGTX Futures? The success of the BitMEX exchange has highlighted the appeal of futures trading to crypto enthusiasts. DGTX Futures Exchange allows traders to buy and sell future contracts on various digital assets, commodities, and financial instruments. There are 0 transaction fees on all trades, and the DGTX Futures of the DGTX token, which is down 2.09% as of right now, token derives value from enabling the commission-free trading of liquid futures contracts based on the US dollar price of Bitcoin, which is down 1.01%, Ethereum, which is down 2.39%, and Litecoin, which is down 1.17%. Why DGTX Futures? Traders on the platform must have a balance of DGTX in order to place trades. They can also win or lose their DGTX token. In addition, zero-fee trading attracts active short-term traders who help to create high liquid markets. While large tick sizes even out the benefits for human trade versus bots, the DGTX Futures Exchange beta will be launching on January 15, 2019, and looks set to disrupt the futures contract trading sector. It's currently January 23rd. You may check those out. We may check that out to see if it's, let's see. It says their beta will be open to the top 5,000 people on our waiting list for the initial testing. I know I'm not within the top 5,000. I think I was like 400 and something. I think I took a screenshot of it. I should have. I'm definitely gonna check that out and see if they up and running though. I'm gonna do an update of that story myself. The next coin they're going to is GoChain. What is GoChain? This is another one that I've talked about. Charted plenty of time. Have seen some very nice percentage gains off of it. GoChain, which is down 1.74%, is a scalable Ethereum-based smart contract blockchain that is fast, secure, and green. It enables DApp, which is decentralized applications, and smart contract developers to lift and shift from Ethereum to Go Chain for 100% increased performance. Wow. Why Go Chain? As Ethereum continues to experience issues with scaling, opportunities exist for a project that can provide a viable alternative. Go Chain is an Ethereum-based smart contract blockchain that is fast, secure, and highly scalable. At the launch in its mainnet earlier this year, GoChain is able to process 1,300 TPS, which is transactions per second, and enable DApp and smart contract developers to easily shift over from Ethereum to benefit from increased performance. 2019 will bring the Apache 2.0 license rewrite aimed to increase enterprise adoption, while network speed should increase to 1,300 transactions per second in Q2 of next year. GoChain has a current market cap of 15 million. And coming in at number 4, ain't that son? Anyone that knows me, anyone that follows me, y'all already know how I rock with the number 4. And Smartlands, the very token that I was looking for, is in the number 4 spot. So Smartlands, which SLT, what is Smartlands? Smartlands SLT, which is down only 0.8%, is a worldwide platform that was developed to tokenization of real economy assets. Why Smartlands? As the level of excitement surrounds ICOs continues to decline, the community is becoming increasingly bullish around STOs, or security token offerings. The Smartlands platform allows for the tokenization of a range of assets. It manages the preparatory procedures of a token issuing company, such as auditing and legal due diligence. Wow. Commercial entities can tokenize their businesses by issuing security tokens on the platform, and these can be traded on the low-cost decentralized exchange hosted on the Stellar network. Investors will be able to fund well-managed and legally accountable security token offerings, while token issuers can secure funding by using an escrow company that enters into a collateral agreement to secure tokens with assets. Smartlands has a current market cap of just under 18 million. And last but not least, we have OWN, or CHX. OWN, or CHX, which is down 2.5% currently, was previously known as Chainium, and aimed to disrupt the global equity market by developing a platform that allowed large enterprises and small businesses to raise capital. Why OWN? The OWN platform is also focused on facilitating the creation and trading of security tokens, and looks set to gain traction over the coming months. OWN comprises of an ecosystem which includes the fast infrastructure for access and ready-made products, and launching bespoke apps, the DSR investor data management system, a mobile app, and a finance industry blockchain that allows teams to develop innovative products. OWN has a current market cap of only over $6 million. So let me see what that is. Yep. So you got OWN, who has a ticker of CHX, Smartlands, who has a ticker of SLT, GoChain, who has a ticker of Go, which is actually on the Binance Exchange market, DGTX, who has a ticker of DGTX, which is on IDEX, if I'm not mistaken. I got some DGTX. I can't remember the platform that it's on. SLT is on, oh man, just left my mind. The Stellar X platform and other Stellar, I think Stellarport also, or the Stellar Decentralized Exchange. Elastos is on KuCoin, if I'm not mistaken. But those are your top 5 coins that can break the top 50 in 2019, family. Let's take a look before I end this video. Let's go to the coin signal. Here we go. Let's take a look at Smartlands and see exactly how we're looking so far. Smartlands had a very, very, very nice rally at the end, towards the end of last year. Really leading into this year, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Smartlands. Let's look at it. Let's look at it first versus BTC. Okay, so that was one hell of a rally. And right now, I'm not even using candlesticks. Let's get off that. How can I go to candles? There we go. So that's showing you pretty much the, let me see, fluctuation of the price within Smartlands versus BTC. That's not what I want. This is what I want. Let's look at our fib retracement and see exactly where we're at as far as retracement levels go. So right now we were above the 50%. Right now we are being held high above 61% retracement level. High above 61% retracement level. Let me see, when was this turnaround? Around November, we started to turn around. Beginning of December, it started losing momentum. Had one hell of a rally. Still holding. Let me see. Let's see. Throughout the whole run. So throughout the whole run, we're still holding more than 50% of our gains as of right now. That's the whole run. We're still holding more than 50% of our gains right now. So definitely a positive look as far as the charts are concerned with Smartland. Definitely one of my long-term holds. I suggest you check it out. You know, follow them on Twitter, follow them on their social media sites. And that goes with any token out there that you're interested in. You got to be able to do your due diligence and actually know what's going on. Don't just, just buy it because you heard everyone talking about it. You have to be able to do your own. With that being said, I'm going to end this here, family. This is Amir, the Chicago Crypto Hustler, Bitcoin Block Bully. I hope this video was very helpful and informative. If it was, please hit the like and or love button. Until the next video, peace, power, and prosperity, family. I